Hi everyone, welcome to My Accessibility. My goal as always is to teach people with spinal cord injuries or disabilities to use technology to be more independent and live more connected lives. So today it's going to be a really quick one. I'm going to show you a feature you may or may not know about. So one of the newer releases of Mac OS for people who use Mac computers, you can actually control your iPhone using your Mac computer. And many times people need to use their iPhone, for example, for banking or for receiving a text message with a one-time password. So it becomes quite difficult if you don't have the right technology set up. So Apple built this great new feature. And if I go down to Launchpad, you can see it's over here called iPhone mirroring on the right-hand side. And what that does is when you click it, it allows you to connect into your iPhone. And you can see I've connected into my iPhone 12 already, and I can have full control now over the iPhone. So I can show what apps are running by clicking that over here. I'll go back to the home screen over here. I can hit search. It can bring up things like my camera or messages, authenticator, password apps, whatever it might be. I can use my keyboard and search for apps, search for my air conditioning control app. There it is. And if I put that, it'll fire up, and now I can control the air conditioning. So I can drag, swipe up, swipe down, and control the air conditioning. Or if I got a one-time password on my text messages, I can go over to messaging. Here we can see some messages that I got from Qantas with one-time password login codes. So very simple, and gives you full control over your iPhone. So all your apps, you can see there I can scroll. Just gives you another way of accessing the iPhone. So one important thing that you should do as well is make sure, just to make your life easier for logging in, let me go back to the app, is that in iPhone mirroring under settings, make sure that you have authenticate automatically set, because you can't use Touch ID. If you're like me, you don't have use of your hands. So what you then do is you just effectively lock your iPhone, and then you use voice control to enter your PIN number on your iPhone. One other great feature of this is that you can also text people who are not on iMessaging. So because you've got full keyboard control, you can put people's numbers in here. And then you just press send. It also supports copy and paste between the iPhone and your computer. So what I find especially useful for is things like when using the authenticator app. So if you go in there and you need a particular authenticator code, then you can, for example, click that and it's copied to the keyboard. If I open up a text editor and hit paste, you'll see the number appears on the screen. So there's some great resources from Apple to set this up, and I'll show you where that is. So that's it in a nutshell. Hopefully you might find this useful. Thanks. See ya. And if I could ask a favor, if you get any value out of this video or any of the others I'm doing, please hit the like button. It'll help us get the message out to more people who might get some value from able to use this technology to live a little bit more independently. See you later. Bye.